So today we're going to be talking about finding the area of a triangle. The question that we're going to answer today is, how do we find the area of a triangle? If you remember, the area is everything that is inside of the triangle, so it would be this blue area that I'm highlighting here. It'd be everything inside except for I just got outside of the line a little bit, so just go ahead and ignore that. Make sure that you don't get that confused with the perimeter, which would be the outside of the triangle. So we're starting with a right triangle. We know it's a right triangle because this red angle right here is 90 degrees. We have two parts of the triangle, which is the height and the base that we're going to need for our formula to find the area of a triangle. The formula is 1/2, and then we're going to multiply that by the base times the height. And that should give us the area. So we're going to go ahead and put some numbers in here. So for the height, let's say this triangle has a height of 3. 3 units, it could be 3 inches, 3 feet. But yeah, we're just going to put the number 3 in here. And then for the base, we'll say that it is 2 inches or feet or whatever unit you want to use, but we're just going to write the number 2. So now if you see here up at the top, we have a math problem. So we can solve 2 times 3 equals 6, and then we're going to bring that 1/2 down and multiply 1/2 times 6, which equals 3. So now we know the area of our triangle is 3. So to explain the area of a triangle a little bit more, let's go back to how do we find the area of a square? Because squares also have 90-degree angles, since we're just talking about right triangles today. So to find the area of a square or any rectangle, we multiply the length times the width. So A will equal the length times width. So if we imagine here we cut the square in half, it actually makes a right triangle. So we're going to explain how the formula of the right triangle works. So here we have our formula for a right triangle. We have area equals 1/2 times base times height. And you might notice here that the side that's the length is the same as the base, and the side that's the width is the same as the height. But since we're only talking about half of the square, we put that 1/2 in the front of the formula. So really, the formula for a right triangle and a square are actually pretty similar. The right triangle is just half of the square. I hope that this little video lesson helped you all out, and I'll see you next time.